Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use QuickBooks Solopreneur, a powerful accounting and bookkeeping tool designed specifically for solo entrepreneurs and small business owners. This tutorial will walk you through the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices to help you get the most out of QuickBooks Solopreneur. First, let's start with the basics. QuickBooks Solopreneur is a cloud-based accounting solution that allows you to manage your finances, track expenses, and stay organized all in one place. To get started, simply sign up for a free trial or subscribe to the service, and then download the QuickBooks Solopreneur app or access it through the web. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard, which provides a comprehensive overview of your financial situation. From here, you can navigate to different sections, such as income, expenses, and invoices. Let's take a closer look at each of these sections. In the income section, you can track your earnings, including payments from clients and sales. You can also categorize your income by type, such as consulting fees or product sales. In the expenses section, you can record and categorize your business expenses, such as office supplies, travel, and equipment. One of the most powerful features of QuickBooks Solopreneur is its ability to track and manage invoices. You can create professional-looking invoices and send them to clients with just a few clicks. You can also track the status of your invoices, including when they're sent, viewed, and paid. Another key feature of QuickBooks Solopreneur is its expense tracking capabilities. You can link your bank accounts and credit cards to the app, and it will automatically import your transactions. You can then categorize and reconcile these transactions to ensure accuracy and stay on top of your finances. In addition to these core features, QuickBooks Solopreneur also offers a range of reporting and analytics tools. You can generate reports on your income, expenses, and cash flow, and use these insights to make informed business decisions. To get the most out of QuickBooks Solopreneur, it's essential to establish good habits and best practices. This includes regularly updating your financial records, categorizing your transactions, and reconciling your accounts. You should also take advantage of the app's automation features, such as automatic expense tracking and invoicing. By following these steps and tips, you can use QuickBooks Solopreneur to streamline your finances, reduce administrative tasks, and focus on growing your business. Remember, QuickBooks Solopreneur is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, so don't be afraid to explore and learn as you go. With this powerful tool, you'll be able to take control of your finances and achieve your business goals.